For a very long time, I had no compass, no direction. From 2011 to 2013, all I did every day was smoke weed, play FIFA and NHL. Don't get me wrong, that's a lot of fun. Spending all day and all night in my friend's basement while chasing a very loose dream of becoming a musician. Life felt great. What I did have was a comfort with technology that was imbued in me since the age of 4, when my parents enrolled me in computer class. Asian parenting, be Asian parenting. Between 2013 and 2018, I finally found a job in a marketing agency, and this allowed me to come out of my shell. I learned how to talk to people. I learned how to tap into the extroverted side of myself. Despite being a deeply and maniacally introverted person, I still am today. But this was still not really the kind of job or passion that I cared much about. In fact, it was something I just kind of placidly accepted. The job kind of fell into my lap and I just kind of accepted it as some whisk of luck. Maybe I was destined to be in this job forever. Maybe I was destined to be a passenger for the rest of my life. But then my life took a turn in 2018 and I quit my job and I bought a one-way ticket to Nepal. And you can check out some of my cameos and my adventures in my friend's YouTube channel, World Trippin'. During this time, something came over me. I became compelled, almost obsessive about writing and journaling during my traveling sabbatical, which I knew was a repressed passion of mine. A little bit of background. In grade 2, as a fresh off the boat, fob as fuck immigrant, I turned to creative writing as my escape. It allowed me to learn English at my own pace, and I made up all these crazy and wonderful stories, and more importantly, it allowed me to pair one of my other hobbies when I was a child, drawing. So I alchemized my writing and drawing together, and that allowed me to learn English. It was actually very therapeutic at the time as someone that didn't speak English and was just alone in a brand new world. Back to the story. I drew deep from within my long-lost creative well. And I began writing obsessively about everything from my hike on the Everest Base Camp Trail to my psychedelic experiences at Burning Man. Shh, we won't tell anyone about that one. And meeting all the wonderful people and families from all walks of life. But something in me just told me this was never really gonna get me a job, was it? It was around this time that I discovered an interesting intersection between two passions of mine, writing and crypto. And by 2020, 2021, crypto was in a full-blown bull market. And more so out of curiosity and self-learning more than anything else, I began writing about crypto. I was curious about how blockchains work. I was curious about consensus and proof of work, minimizing trust. Why was Bitcoin and Ethereum worth so much? And so eventually these writings landed me in my dream job at a company called ChainSafe. And of course, the Cambrian explosion happened from there. And it was in my role at ChainSafe that I began to contribute back professionally and meaningfully back into this space that I learned to care so much about. It was in this role that it allowed me to travel the world and also meet all kinds of wonderful people and this impassioned community that I had long sought to be a part of, even in just a small capacity. It was worth it to me. And of course, it was during this time working full-time in crypto that I began to amass a little bit of shitty video editing skills. I'm sure you guys can tell. On top of that, I was forced to be familiar and comfortable with a lot of different Web3 projects and protocols and products, including even running some code in some instances. So I thought, why not marry all of that crypto experience with video content? Why not put myself in front of a camera and start recording and sharing what I'm learning or sharing some of the products that we were building? I thought it could be a pretty good marriage for my ikigai. And so I began searching through crypto YouTube for some inspiration. And wow, what a cesspool. On YouTube, most content is about trading, advice for how to make money, whether we're in a bull market or bear market, whether a project or token is going to go up or down. None of that matters. For the technologist in me, we are in a centuries-long bull cycle for tech, where life has only gotten better and better. This is what I am interested in. And crypto is just one tip of a flurry of arrows in the ever-expanding tech tree of humanity. My desire is to shift the culture of crypto YouTube from that of gambling to that of genuine passion and interest in possibilities that crypto enables for all of us. That's self-custody or bust. That's minimizing the amounts of trust that we need in central authorities. That's equal access to finance no matter your status in life. That's economic freedom for all. That's open source software. That's privacy. That's public goods and public goods funding. That's decentralized finance, decentralized identity, and so much more. 4. It's a brand new world with brand new primitives, all really kind of solving the super basic, super fundamental problem of two people, peers you can say, who just want to interact with each other economically without relying on some third-party overseer. Hence, 90 seconds to crypto. All this is to say, the long-winded arc of interest in technology since the age of 4, the creative expression since grade 2, the expanding extroversion since my marketing job and my traveling sabbatical, and 4 years of professional experience in crypto is all culminating in this deep-seated desire to contribute and give back to this space as one unique motherfucking voice. That is my origin story. That's why I'm here. And that's the journey I want to take you guys on. So you ride in or you slide in. One last thing. If you would so please like and subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. All of these things would help so much and keep this channel going. And that's it. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.